Alright, hi Jacob. This is my book report. I read the book called Red Tide. The author is just Jeff Lindsay. It was published in 2015. It's a crimi. It takes place in a fisher town called Key West, Miami, and Miami, and somewhere in the ocean between Miami and Haiti. Okay, so the main characters are Billy Knight, Anna, Nikki, and the ship called the Black Friday. Billy, Anna, and Nikki all have that in common that they start as very insecure. Anna and Billy becomes girlfriend and boyfriend, and they both have in common that they are very insecure and they are not that willing to take risks. And in the end, they become they become calm, secure, and they get to settle down. Nicky, he is Billy's best friend. He's the one who starts the entire investigation, which are coming to in the plot. He loves guns and he's often drunk. The Black Friday is a mysterious ship and transports people from Haiti to Miami, and it kills them on the way. And before the ship kills the refugees, it takes all their monies, wallets, ID cards, and everything else that have something of value. On the ship, there's a captain who has some mystical powder, and there's some special drums which make people feel very strange and kind of just do what the crew and the ship orders them to do. In the movie, not in the movie, sorry for that. The plot of the book is that Billy has retired from being a cop, but he gets back into service or unofficial service when this case starts up, kind of like Bruce Willis from Die Hard. Then one day, Nicky and Billy are on a sail trip just to hang out, have some fun, and they suddenly find dead bodies. The police doesn't want anything to do with these dead bodies because it is out of their borders and it's in international waters. Then Billy meets Anna at the Tivoli, and she convinces him to look into the manor. And Anna knows about this case because she has talked to Nicky before she came to meet Billy. Billy starts to investigate and he goes to a tavern in Key West, but he doesn't figure out that much except that he has to go to Miami. So he goes to Miami, where he finds a guy named with Nicky and Anna, but they stay in a motel. But Billy goes to a tavern in Miami, where he finds a guy named Bud, who is a famous and respected retired captain. He knows a lot of stuff, and he says that he will get a guy named O'Toniel the next night. Although O'Toniel is a guy who reportedly has worked on the ship. Although the next night they don't show up, they have been killed. Billy finds sad, and when he gets home to the motel, Anna is missing, and Nicky has been beaten up. Then, in a twisted turn of events, Billy finds the Black Friday on the ocean. He gets on board, but he gets beaten up by this magic powder the captain has. Then he gets thrown into some black box or black room on the ship, but Nicky finds him and gets him out of there. They kill the crew together, saves Anna and all the passengers who were just about to be murdered. They turn the ship around and hand it over to the Coast Guard, and Billy and Anna goes away for a while and to get away from it all, settle down, which they did. And then to conclude it all, the suspense in the book is very good. Definitely, it kind of gets you on the way. Although I kind of hated that the book has a lot of chapters. It makes it very confusing to read because every 5 to 10 page it's a new setting, and you always just get into the story when it breaks up, and you have to go back a little. You have a new setting, have to be introduced to that, and so it continues all the way. Also there are some places where you don't really see the reason for the chapter. It would have made much more sense if there hadn't been a chapter, but it had just continued. So all of the chapters, all of the short chapters, make it a bit confusing to read. So I don't think I would recommend it to anyone.